This is the Export tab. Its main purpose is to create the poster and export the model. The poster is a picture of the 3D object that is used at loading time to anticipate the content to the user. Click on the picture icon in the middle of the right panel. You are now in poster mode, and you can see that the central view transformed into a Polaroid. Rotate the object to get the desired pose. This is the first view that your users will see. Click on the Generate Poster button to take the photo. It appears just below. If you are not happy with the pose, adjust it and click the button again. At the bottom, you can find numeric information about the actual rotation. You can enter the numbers, if you know them, or if you want the exact same pose between multiple configurations. These numbers update while you rotate the object inside the Polaroid. When you click the Generate Poster button, the picture is taken and these numbers are saved. Click again on the Picture button to exit poster mode. When you enter poster mode, the 3D object's pose is synced with your latest saved numbers, so that the poster and the 3D model look the same. You can revert to the last saved pose by clicking on this button. By default, you orbit around the center of the 3D object, but seldomly you may need to orbit around a different part of your object. You can reset to default behavior by clicking on the Reset button. You can enable or disable hotspots and the object dimensions capabilities in the Universal Viewer. These 4 options allows you to enable or disable the buttons to show and hide hotspots and object dimensions, and if, at start, they are visible or hidden. If enabled, these buttons are shown by clicking on the 3D Viewer. At the very bottom, you can find the Save and Publish button. When you click it, your work gets uploaded to the cloud and processed to create the deliverables. You need to click it to save your work. If instead you are just experimenting, you can leave the page to discard the changes.